Many people consider DIY a chore, which is why a little DIY help goes a long way. Amtech is the single DIY brand owned by DK Tools Limited, a manufacturer and supplier of about 2,000 powered and non-powered tools for the home, garage and garden. However, the loss of DIY knowledge among younger generations means many consumers are looking for help to complete DIY tasks. Rather than bringing in skilled tradespeople, Amtech is plugging that gap.
We made ourselves absolutely approachable and accessible to consumers, whether it be from the point of purchase with the product packaging or post-sale support.
The Amtech brand has been designed to educate and resonate with younger demographics, so they can target the generational skills gap that exists in the current DIY market. Accessibility is key, and Amtech's simple packaging reflects this, with speech bubbles outlining each product's key features and benefits.
We were aware of the fact that they would be switching from research mode to shopper mode, so it was quite key that they were able to see this communication straight away.
I received a question from Julia regarding the Amtech retractable utility knives. Julia's question was, how do you change the blade and insert a new blade?
Amtech uses whatever medium it can to answer consumer queries via the telephone, email support, and a growing amount of how-to video content.
We're actually in the face of consumers providing a very valuable service. Hundreds of thousands of consumers have found relevance in the videos and the content that we've been creating. I think over 15,000 hours of watch time on YouTube from the content that we've created that are directly relating to the individual circumstance and the individual unanswered bespoke questions that consumers really have when using our products.
DK Tools has recently rebranded its Amtech products, introducing a bold red and yellow livery.
We wanted to create something that was both dynamic and optimistic, so we decided to use red and yellow as our colour palette, and it also gave us a really good cut through at the moment of choice in store.
Amtech's distribution partners are quick to see the benefits to them of the new design.
It's clean, it's clear, it's two colours. It gives you the understanding that it's there to help, that it's a product that you can use for a purpose, and it gives you enough descriptive and imagery to make you able to use it and determine how you're going to use it in the home.
In the coming years, DK Tools wants to increase its network of Amtech to include national retailers, wholesalers, and independent high street stores, and in so doing, transforming itself from purely a DIY brand into a DIY WS brand. Do it yourself with support.